Today I am a horse. Dear God, did you have to make my poor horse lose his shoe just before the Sabbath? That wasn't nice. It's enough you pick on me, Tevye. Bless him with 5 daughters, a life of poverty, that's all right, but what have you got against my horse? You know, sometimes I think when things are too quiet up there, you say to yourself, let's see, what kind of mischief can I play on my friend Tevye? Man, I'd build a big tall house with rooms by the dozen right in the middle of the town, with a fine tin roof and real wooden floors below. There would be one long staircase just going up, and one even longer coming down, and one more leading nowhere just for show. But just as I say it takes judgment, brains, and maturity to score in a Balkan game, I say that any boob can take and shove a ball in their pocket, and I call that sloth. The first big step on the road to the depths of degradé. Say first a little medicinal wine from a teaspoon, then beer from a bottle, and the next thing you know, your son is playing for money in a pinch black suit. And listen to some big out-of-town Jasper here to talk about horse race gambling. Not a wholesome trotting race, no, but a race where they sit down right on the horse. Like to see some stuck-up jockey boy sitting on Dan Patch. Makes your blood boil, well, I should say. Now, folks, let me tell you what I'm...
Cause one man, what then to do about this Jesus mania? How do we deal with the Carpenter King? Where do we start with the man who is bigger than John was when John did his baptism? Love, love. I was wounded of a love expended, wounded, dying of love. Tell everyone the nightingale lamented. South of 4 edges, throat cut and wretched. Take my hand, love, for I come badly wounded. Love expended.